I wanted the confidence. It's always been very intimidating for me, like learning new skills like this. And when I learned about wild abundance, I think a year ago, I was ecstatic. All the teachers are incredibly skilled, all women and non-binary people who have been in the industry for 10 plus years. So they have a wealth of knowledge and this ability to help translate ideas and where there might be gaps in your knowledge. Even if you've done something like this before, having this kind of support and connecting with people like this has been an incredible experience. It felt like-minded women who are also nervous and maybe didn't feel safe in spaces like this to try and to make mistakes and to, learn through those and come out feeling more empowered. I can go and say, yes, I can work with the miter saw now. Yes, I can work with different kinds of saws and drills. I can hammer things with more accuracy. Walking away with the confidence of, oh, I see something, yes, I can do it now, which I did not have before.